Good morning. Today we are going to read the poem Beauty written by E.A. Sure, an English poet. Here the poet has described the beauty. Now you can watch the photo or the scene. Beauty is something which gives happiness to everyone. When we see something, it attracts, we feel happy and say, what a beautiful flower, what a beautiful scene. So, not only we can see the beauty, we can hear it, we can feel it. So, beauty can be seen, it can be heard, it can be felt. Looking a good flower which gives you happiness or which attracts you, hearing some song, it gives pleasure to you. So you say, what a nice song, what a beautiful song. And whenever something impress you, you feel about that impressing moment, impressing thing. So it can be felt. Now, beauty, as explained by the poet in 3 stanzas. You look at the first stanza. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. Poet says, beauty is seen, means beauty, we see the beauty. Where we see the beauty? It can be seen by all of us in our surroundings. It can be seen in the sunlight. Just watch the sunlights falling on the leaves of the plants, reflecting from the clean water. How beautiful it looks. It gives you the feeling of happiness. The scene makes you feel happy. So, beauty can be seen in the sunlight. It can also be seen in the trees and in the birds. By looking certain kinds of trees, you are attracted, you become happy. What a beautiful plant this is. And it can also be seen in the birds. Birds are also beautiful. Whether another scene which reflects the beauty, the people who are working hard, some people working in their fields, they are working hard, and when you notice it, you feel happy how hard working these people are, right? Seeing their hard work, their honest work makes you happy. So those people who are working hard on their fields to grow crops, and those hard working people means farmers, when they become happy to express their joy, their happiness, they dance, they sing. This scene also makes you feel happy, right? So, beauty can be seen in the natural things, in the sun rays, in the trees, in the birds, animals. Some of you might be very happy to watch the wild animals. Why? Because you feel happy. It gives you pleasure. Some of you have your favorite colors, bird, singing birds. So these are the natural things. The thing is only to observe it and feel it. Stanza number 2. Beauty is heard in the sun, in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting anything in earnest. Here the poet says that beauty could be heard in our surroundings if we try to listen to it. We can hear beauty during the rainfall when the wind blows. Right? To notice the beauty, to see the beauty, you need not to go anywhere. It is lying surrounding you. You can see the beauty in your surrounding. You can hear the beauty. Beauty can be heard in the surrounding during the night when the wind blows. Feel the, or you imagine the scene. It is night time and wind is blowing. It can be heard during the rainfall when rain is falling. Heavy rainfall is there, air is blowing, so there is a certain kind of sound and it gives you happiness, that what a good rainfall is going on and creating a certain kind of sounds which makes you feel happy. So you can hear the beauty in the blowing air, in the rain falling. And whenever someone is chanting, someone is singing earnestly, that singing also gives happiness to you. Means in the singing of the person there is beauty which you can feel. Stanza number 3. Beauty is in yourself, good deeds, happy thoughts that repeats themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. See the concluding part of the poem. In the first two stanza, you read that beauty can be seen in the flowers, in the trees, in the sunlight, sun rays. Beauty can be heard in the rainfall, blowing wind, singing of someone beautiful songs. Then beauty can be inside yourself. Beauty is within us. The poet says, beauty lies within us. We do not need to search it all around. Right? Beauty can, you need not to go anywhere to search out the beauty. Beauty is lying in ourselves. How we can find it? Beauty lies in good work and happy thoughts. When we do good works, it reflects beauty. When we have good thought, happy thoughts, beauty is there. Now, those who are positive towards life, beauty lies within those people also. if you are thinking positive towards life. Positive thinking is itself a beauty. Now everyone can feel beauty when everyone do good work, good things. Good thoughts comes to our mind. It gets reflected and things becomes beautiful. Right? Whenever we think good thoughts, it is beautiful. It reflects beauty. If you feel bad, bad thoughts cannot reflect good or beauty. So our good thoughts are reflecting beauty. Our positive thinking reflects beauty. And goodness repeated in our dreams works even when we take rest. Right? Now, this is all about your poem, Beauty. Once again, you see, beauty is heard. Beauty can be heard. Beauty can be felt. These three stanzas deal with the word beauty. Now see some of the words and their meanings. Corn growing and people working are dancing for their harvest. Corn here means the crop. Corn growing means crop growing. Harvesting means when the crop is ready, the farmers cut and bind it. This is the harvesting. Harvesting means the process of gathering crops. Singing, Singing, emits a long, deep, audible breath. Sighing emits a long, deep, audible breath, expressing sadness, relief, tiredness. Right? Sighing means lambi saans bharna. When it comes, see the example, you are doing your mathematical problem, solving mathematical problem, and because of a minor mistake you are not getting the answer. Later on you trace your mistake and you are able to solve the problem after a good time, lot time. When you feel that you have done it correctly, you sigh, you breathe long. Right? Why? Because it gives you relief that you have done your sum correctly. Sign. Chanting. Say repeatedly in a sing-song tone. Right? Chanting here means way of singing. To say something repeatedly in a sing-song tone. Chanting. Earnest. Earnest here means showing sincere and intense conviction. Right? Earnestly means seriously, sincerely. Then deed, an action that is performed intentionally or consciously. Right? Deed here means simply a work. You can say work, deed, action. Understood? Now some questions you have to answer. Where can you see beauty? Question 1. Where can you see beauty? How can we find beauty in ourselves? Then next question. Can you hear beauty in the atmosphere? Can you hear beauty in the atmosphere? Take 3 questions. You read the poem and try to find out the answers. Okay.